Our prayer requests will be around food availability and food security in light of the drought that the country is going through. This has been, reported to be the worst El Nino-induced drought that the country has experienced in over 40 years. So we really hope that resources will be made available so that no one goes without food and access to water. Prayers on our economic and political situations also remain critical, that there will be cohesion and understanding, especially amongst our political leaders, and appreciation on the need for dialogue, inclusive dialogue that is beneficial for peace to prevail in the country, and also for all of the Zimbabwean citizens to thrive and develop at personal and at community level. The third prayer point could be around disease prevention, because with the drought as well, diseases like cholera and other waterborne diseases may rise as a result of water shortages. So we also pray for health of our nation, and for all the people who are involved in the development and services delivery in the country, to just do it with a human heart.